And no, this is not March of 2020.
President Biden claims the U.S. will not return to lockdowns as new COVID cases soar nationwide. The president today unveiled a new plan to help Americans fight the virus during the holiday season.
It includes increasing availability of at-home tests, help for hospitals, and expanding access to vaccines. Now, according to the CDC, more than 61% of eligible Americans are fully vaccinated, and more than 60 million Americans have gotten a booster. The president delivered a warning to those that still haven't gotten their shot in the wake of the new Omicron variant.
We should all be concerned about Omicron, but not panicked. If you're fully vaccinated, and especially if you got your booster shot, you are highly protected. And if you're unvaccinated, you're at a higher risk of getting severely ill from COVID-19, getting hospitalized, and even dying.
Now, one big part of the plan, the president says he will purchase 500 million at-home rapid tests that will be sent directly to homes for free. News 8's Demi Johnson joins us now to explain how this new program works. Demi.
Yeah, information is still limited, but what we do know is the at-home tests will come from a website set up by the Biden administration. The president also announced several new federal testing sites will be up and running before Christmas.
Starting next month, private insurance will also cover at-home testing. So you can order a test online and get reimbursed.
It's just one of several steps President Biden says he will use to combat COVID-19 and slow the spread of the Omicron variant this winter. In January, the president says every American will be able to go online and order a rapid COVID-19 test that will then be sent to their home for free. It's unclear how this new at-home testing program will impact state and local health departments and chain stores that carry the kits. The Marion County Public Health Department, the Hamilton County Health Department, and Kroger all tell News 8 they haven't heard anything besides the tests will come directly from the federal government. During his address, President Biden added, personally delivering tests to people still won't be enough.
Starting this week, the federal government will set up emergency testing sites in areas that need additional testing capacity.
President Biden says he'll also continue using the Defense Production Act to be sure the U.S. is making COVID-19 tests at a fast rate. The president says the best defense is still the vaccine, but knowing who is sick, especially around the holidays, will be a big help.
Because Omicron spreads easily, especially among the unvaccinated, it's critically important that we know who's infected.
The president says he's also expanding vaccine ability by adding more sites across the country. Reporting, I'm Demi Johnson for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.